Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news household credit worthiness is well and truly mended in the US. But first up today, the OECD is reporting that international trade in goods rose in the March quarter for the fourth straight time and at its fastest pace since June quarter of 2011. New Zealand is not included in this G20 survey, but Australia recorded its highest export growth of any country. It is likely that the recovered American consumer is behind this upswing in international trade. In the US, new data shows their consumer credit scores have now hit a record average high of over 700 in April. And the share of Americans deemed to be some of the riskiest borrowers hit a record low. Further, more than 6 million Americans will have their personal bankruptcy status disappear over the next 5 years, adding to the pool of new customers for lenders. In Europe, ECB boss Mario Draghi says he's not yet ready to turn his stimulus tap off. The ECB is still adding to its QE program at the rate of 80 billion euros per month and has bought over 2 trillion of those securities. In Australia, new data shows that the average mortgage LVR for new home loans is falling, is now down to 73.4%. Rising house prices are part of this, but analysts say that banks are being far more picky on who they lend to in Australia, and that is crowding out many first home buyers and their skinny deposits. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is unchanged at 2.25%. The price of oil is also basically unchanged today, with the US crude benchmark now just under $50 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just over $52 a barrel. While there was no trading in gold in either New York or London yesterday and over the holiday weekend, the price remains at $1,267 an ounce. And the Kiwi dollar is also little changed at 70.6 US cents. On the cross rates, the Kiwi is up at 94.8 Aussie cents and at 63.2 Euro cents. The TWI is now at 75. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.